Good morning, welcome to Beach My Travel Coffee Morning Travel Show. I'm Anna.
And I'm Nat.
And we've been Black Friday shopping.
You have. I tried online, but I didn't really find anything. I didn't have enough time to do it. What have you found?
Well, as you can see, we've got a little box here. No sales on this one, I'm afraid, but it is DJI MAVIC Mini Drone, so they say.
Sounds fancy.
Yeah, so we will show you guys what's in the box today. This is the standard version of the drone, so no extras in there. Do you want to open the box?
What are you going to be using this for, Anna? What's your plan?
So this little drone, which is actually 249 grams, will be traveling with me to Vietnam. Woohoo! And hopefully, guys, you're gonna see some nice footage soon. So what's in the box, Nat?
Well, I haven't even seen that box before. I'm only guessing that this is going to be the drone. There you go. I think you should do this. I don't want to break it. I'm really glad.
No, I want to see you opening the drone. It's like, well, I don't even know how to open it.
Okay, so
Are you
I'm
starting
guessing
from
that's
the top or the bottom?
I don't know. It's got the
Legs.
Oh, on both sides. Oh, just that one. Oh, we've got two. Should I pull that out? I don't really want to break it. This way. You doing that? Have you used it or not yet?
Duh. Oh,
So when you say it's 240 grams, what does it actually mean? Because I've heard some information on radio about actually having to have a license and register your drone if you want to use it.
So as you can see, it's 249 grams, which means is quite light. All the drones under 250, you do not need to have a license for, you don't have to pass a city tests, and you don't have to pay a yearly fee to be flying this drone. But you still have to follow all the guidelines as per normal for any drone flights, really. No, it looks cute, doesn't it? So I think that's where the camera is up the front. So it does have a protective box here, doesn't it? They can take this off. Yeah,
that's not very nice. How high can it go?
I think they recommend 50 meters, like a standard, but it can go higher than that, obviously. It depends on the country as well where you're flying the drone in, I think. But yeah, so obviously you have to...
So how does it work? So you've got the... Is this the controller, I'm guessing?
Yeah. It looks like a PlayStation controller, doesn't it?
And what do you do with that?
You have to assemble it.
Open this?
I think so, yeah.
I'll be like... Do you actually see anywhere? Like, does it connect to your phone to see what you can see through the camera when you're recording?
So your phone goes here.
So this is the phone holder.
Yeah. And then it connects to that little cable down the side.
Oh,
And then
right.
you have
So you
to
open the little
Yeah, I think you have to open this
cable
as
into
well.
your phone.
So you're gonna have to be able to hold it, so...
Oh, there you go. Like that.
Check you out.
So you would, so there two controllers. Is this how you steer it?
Well, no, because you didn't assemble controllers yet. And they got these little things there inside. They're supposed to take off. Oh, and then twist it in.
Oh, right.
I'm not sure which way in. Let's have a look. This way.
Yeah. Now it looks like a controller.
Ta-da!
Up and down, left and right. Do, 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 do. That's so exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, so you
So you
get,
would put your phone in there and then you can see what the drone can see. In
so
the
you've
air,
got some
basically.
extra cables too, I suppose.
Are there any instructions in the box?
There is something little, because it's mini.
And also...
Mini instructions for a mini drone. I had to go for the glasses, sorry.
You need a magnifying glass to read them. I'm sure they're not just normal instructions, they're just warranties and everything.
I don't know. Hello. Can you even see anything? Well, anyway, leaving the instructions on site.
I'm wondering how do we charge the drone? Has it got a battery that has to come out and then plug in?
What goes in has to come out. So yeah, the battery is somewhere. I think it's there. Ah, yes. So at the back, you've got the slot for the SD card that you can purchase. Stick it in. It's the micro SD, like in your mobile phone. And then this is compartment where the battery sits. So I assume you just lift this up. You've got a battery in there, very powerful battery. And
Do we know how long will it last when it's in the air? Like what's the flight time?
it's half an hour to 35 minutes flight time.
That's not too bad.
Yeah, so that's where the battery sits. You take the battery out, you charge it, and then you put it back in. Close the end, and that's it. It's ready to go. Charge pretty quickly. You have the super fast USB charger with it, which is great.
Will that notify you that the charger's running low when the drone is in the air?
Yes, it will. Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah.
That's a really good thing.
So it's really really cute.
Can you get them in different colours?
No, unless you want to paint them.
Oh, really?
Well, yeah, because you can.
And
Why
you can
not?
personalise them.
Well, yeah, I can have
Customise them.
I can have a little sticker here
That's really cool.
with my phone number.
How far you can fly away from the controller?
No, when you got like accident and the drone hits someone, then you have like insurance number on it. Call me.
This is mine.
Call me to make a claim.
No, but like, seriously, how will you know if you flying too far or far away from the controller? Is there a distance?
So it flies in, and then you have, let's say, 15 minutes time left because of your journey. Go home. Go home.
Is that what he's going to say?
Go home. And then it's going to turn around and go back automatically to the home settings. So you have to set up the home settings, unless you'll be flying it back blindly.
That's really cool.
And then it's going to land when it's ready to land.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Nice little toy.
Yeah, so that's pretty much what it is. So it's cute, it's small, it's portable, and it's going to fit into my suitcase. And we'll be quite happy to take it to Vietnam to take some footage of Phuoc.
So there's loads of new videos to come then.
Yep, plenty.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next Sunday.
Bye.
Ciao.